guys, this is Jamie, as usual. Now, I'll be performing back crunches, okay? Especially, I'll be talking about the weight replacement of this because this is a crucial part that we miss, okay? So, now, we can relate this through all of the dances. It can be a slow dance or a fast dance itself. So, if I'm doing my back crunch position, I'll be stepping my right foot back behind, okay? And then, just, how can I say, my weight itself or the weight replacement, my body is still leaning forward, but my right leg itself is just pushing back. I'm trying to do the wrong way, okay? Normally we do this. That's no good, and it would be so heavy and poor leaders will be carrying us up. We don't need that, okay? Or vice versa for the followers as well. So, now, what I want you to do, as you step back, just setting that leg back, but as you notice, remember the A-frame that we always tell you guys? Just maintaining that A-frame, leaning forward, you're just pushing your leg towards behind. So, as you notice, you can either point this free leg, it's up to you, you can bend it out, you can stay it flat. And then the same thing as your back step, which is the right foot back. So, it's up to you if you want to just lift that heel up, back, so that it's easier for you to maybe recover to the next step, or maybe especially in a rock and roll, when we do the back bump, it's easier for us to replace weight in front. Or either way, if you want to flat it out, just making sure, just maintaining this body leaning forward as much as we can. Okay? Remember, we always dance underneath our body, nothing else. Okay? Thank you.